Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to revision for standard 7 revision of chapter 4. chapter 3 तक का हम लोग रिवीजन कर चुके हैं। बुक में जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उसके अलावा जो बुक का इनर पोर्शन है उसके भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको कल चर्चा किए हैं। आज हमारा चर्चा है लॉग ऑन टू एनिमेट सीसी। इसमें एनिमेशन क्या है, एनिमेशन का वर्क स्पेस क्या है, और इसमें जो बुक के अंदर का जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बनेगा वो इस तरह से बनेगा कि शॉर्टकट की टू इंसर्ट फ्रेम इज F5। अच्छा, उसके बाद है एनिमेट वाज द अर्लियर नोन एट द फ्यूचर प्लेस एंड फ्यूचर वेव इन का डेवलपमेंट कब हुआ था। डिफ़ॉल्ट एक्सटेंशन ऑफ एनिमेट का कोई फाइल बनेगा तो उसका डिफ़ॉल्ट एक्सटेंशन क्या होगा, .FLA। एंड टू शॉर्टकट की टू इंसर्ट ए की फ्रेम इज F6। Ctrl+J is the shortcut key to display the document setting dialog box. And to make the property panel visible on the screen, Ctrl+F3 key use shortcut key to open the color panel. To set the gradient color is Ctrl+Shift+9 F9, and to group the selected object press Ctrl+G, and to ungroup the selected object press Ctrl+Shift+J combination. Shortcut key for the pencil tools is Shift+Y, and selection tools is V, and the shortcut key to use the free transform tool is Q. Shortcut key to import the picture to animate is Ctrl+R. Shortcut key to convert object into symbol is F8. Ctrl+Enter is the shortcut key to play an animation in Animate. F7 is shortcut key to insert a blank keyframe. अब इसका जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है उसको देखिए कि वो एनिमेट इज ए पावरफुल एनिमेशन सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेज डेवलप्ड बाय द एडोब सिस्टम. Workspace is arrangement of the various animate elements such as the tools panel, control panel, property inspector, and stage. The stage is the large white space that is seen at the center of the workspace, and the group area surrounded the stage is called work area. The timeline is the area where one controls the sequencing and timing of graphics of a movie, and layer are the transparent sheets stacked on the top of one another, each containing a different image that appear on the stage. Shortcut key to import a picture is Ctrl+G, and radial gradient change the color in a circular outward direction setting from the focal point is T. In twinned animation, we can change the contents of every frame. To create animation is false. The tool selection consists of the tools that are used to drawing, painting, and selecting object is true. To select the multiple object using the selection tools, hold the Control key while clicking on object is false. Default stage size is 550 into 400 pixel. What are the little rectangle cells that appears on the timeline is called frame. Which one of the following shortcut key used to insert a frame is F5. Which shortcut key do you use to display the document setting is Ctrl+J. Which panel acts as a storehouse of the symbol in Animate is library. Which shortcut key used to play the animation in Animate is Ctrl+Enter. And what is the file extension of the Animate is .FLA. So यह आपका चैप्टर 4 का क्वेश्चंस हैं। रिवीजन डिफ़ॉल्ट एक्सटेंशन क्या होना चाहिए, 500 into 400, and name the parts of the tool panel is the tool, view, color, and options. Mention the method to creating animation is frame by frame, animate, twinned, and mesh animation. And name the type of gradient, linear gradient, radial, and name the twinned animation used to change the color is tint, and name the shortcut key to insert keyframe is F7. यह आपका चैप्टर 4 का रिवीजन हुआ। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।